In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50i, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left corner. Now, to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, hold it and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it, select pin icon instead of the pin one and wait. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!